Good morning, all of you. Welcome to AISMS Institute of Information Technology. I, Dr. Badrinada Mahapatra, Assistant Professor, Instrumentation Engineering Department. Today we will be discussing on control system. So in this lecture, we will be discuss about root locus method, example of root locus method, then how to plot that root locus plot. So in the introduction, that root locus method, as the name suggests, or that name looks at the loci of the roots with some of the parameter of the interest within the system. Consider a characteristic polynomial of the closed loop system, that is 1 plus gs hs is equal to 0. That is the main equation that we need to find. But where gs hs in the form, so it may be some numerator and denominator value, and this value will be in that form, that is s to the power m plus b1 s to the power m minus 1 plus dot 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 bm divided by s to the power n plus a1 s to the power n minus 1 plus a2 s to the power n minus 2 plus dot 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 a power n. So we are interested for the 0 of the equation number 1, and that is roots of that equation. Okay. So for one example, suppose here that example 1 plus gs value, which will be equal to 1 plus 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus k. So in this case the 0 will be 1, and in the numerator, that is pole value, will be s plus 1 into s plus k. But when we will be rewrite that equation, then 1 plus gs value, which is equal to, now it will be in that form of that last previous equation, like s square plus s multiplied with k plus 1 plus k plus 1 divided by s plus 1 s plus k. So for we can rewrite that numerator equation like s square plus s plus 1 plus k s plus 1 is equal to 0. If we will be solve this part, then g of h, which will be is equal to s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by k. If we will be put the value of k equal to 1 or k equal to 0, then we can easily solve that equation, that is s square plus s plus 1 equal to 0. So there if will be solved, then we can find that is 0.5 plus or minus 0.866. So this is one example. So we will be solve another example so that we can understand easily. Suppose the question will be given that find for example 1 by s into s plus 1, and particularly for this question you have to find the root locus method. So particularly in this case you have to look at how many poles and how many zeros are present, and we need to find 1 plus kgs value, which is equal to 0. So in this case g of s is equal to minus 1 by k. So that means k goes from 0 to infinite. Hence the root locus moves from poles, that is g star h star to 0 of g star h star, and poles of 1 plus k g star h star to 0 of the g star h star. So particularly for this example, so we need to find 1 plus k divided by s into s plus 1, which is equal to s square plus s plus k is equal to 0. So that means the roots we can find s12 is equal to, because it is a second order system, so we can find the two values, so which is equal to minus half plus or minus root over of 1 minus 4k divided by 2. So for particularly for this case, that k value which will be lies in between 0 to 1 by 4, so roots are real and between minus 1 to 0. If k value is equal to 1 by 4, then there will be two roots, and that value will be minus half. If the k value will be greater than 1 by 4, then the roots become complex, and real part of that minus half and imaginary part which will be proportional to k value. So these are the two poles n equal to 2 of for the particular system. So two branches, here you can look at here that arrow mark which will be given. So branches begins on the poles, that is between 0 to minus 1. The root locus should be end with the zeros, but it has to no infinite 0, m equal to 0. Hence n minus m is equal to two branches go to the infinite direction. So this is a root locus plot of that particular example. Thank you so much.